So, welcome back and welcome in this new module of this Hero trading group. In this new module, we've prepared topic called active management of positions. And this is basically pro version of or more advanced version of the classic standard module called management, where I explained basically basics of our strategy, how we manage the risk, why we use two entry price and stuff around that. So in this module, this topic will be more deeper. I will explain to you how you can use management for your advantage and how you can basically squeeze every single position to get maximum profit off of that and in the same time minimizing the risk. Quick disclaimer, if you haven't seen our course yet, be sure to watch it at first because this module is basically the more advanced form of this course. And for you to get better and good understanding about this module, you need to have this basic mechanics and basic knowledge of our approach, which we mentioned in previous modules and previous lectures. So be sure to watch them as first. Why is active management so important to you as a trader? When you manage position, you work with live data that indicates when to sell, when to add to the position, and when to, for example, tight your stop loss. As a result, this active management can help you maximize profits and minimize losses. So, in short, you basically risk same amount of money and at the same time you basically scale the position and your take profit or amount of money which you get when your price hit take profit is actively increasing. So you're not guessing where the price might go, you see the actual market behavior in real time, and with this type of informations, you can decide if it's good to enter the position, if it's better to close the position, if it's better to tighten up your stop loss, or if it's better to move your take profit level. All of these techniques and so much more can be helpful for maximizing your potential reward and in the same time minimizing the risk. And this is what makes traders successful. For active position management, we will need advanced footprints knowledge. So as I said, be sure to watch previous videos and previous lectures from this Hero at first, especially price versus participants and volume module. So here's a quick blueprint how we manage position from A to Z. The first thing what we monitor and pay attention to is volume. If we spot high volume on a chart, we take that sign as an interest in trading, and this is area where we want to be active at. We use color fading in software called ADAS, so this color fading indicates higher volume and a volume increase, which is sign of interest in trading and activity of bigger players. And those areas are areas where we want to be active at. We start monitor these areas through concept called price versus participants, which we also mentioned in previous lectures. When we have identified our pattern, absorption or continuation, we open first position with first entry price. That means that if we decide to risk, for example, $100 as a maximum amount of money for one trade idea, we split this risk to 50 and 50. So we open first position with $50 and we save the second half for potential re-entry. Next, we identify nearest zones with high volume because those zones will be our key levels where the price could react in the future. In case if price hit our first stop loss level and the pattern, absorption or continuation will be still there, we can use our second entry price as a re-entry. Because in case of absorption, there is something called iceberg orders, and some of those orders can be filled at lower levels where is our first entry price, and some of those levels can be filled on the lower or higher levels where is our stop loss level. But it is still part of this huge absorption. Therefore, we have second entry price to re-enter the position because it's still valid idea and we can use same target and same idea as before. So always use wider stop losses. And if the price hits the stop loss on our re-entry position, we simply accept the loss and we move on. Because loss is also part of our journey and every trader needs to adapt to idea of losing because losing is part of trading. Once the price reaches the nearest volume level, we stay alerted again and observe the price and its reaction. Here we use thing or concept called price versus participants because this is really important and you basically monitor the area and you monitor if there is volume. If no volume is created again these previous volume zones, then we simply do nothing and just wait. Because without volume, we don't trade. volume equals increase in interest. If there is no interest, we don't want to basically touch anything. However, if there is volume created, it indicates certain reaction and certain interest in this zone. And again, in this case and in this moment, we open footprints and we start monitor what price do through price versus participants concept. If we see through our price versus participants concept some sign of reversal, we just close the position, tighten the stop loss to break even, or sell part of the position. However, if the price shows strength in the direction which we are trading in, we can add to the position and tighten up the original stop loss to break even. Keep that in mind that it's important to pay attention to volume. In both cases, there must be visible high volume. If there will be opportunity and we decide to add to the position and tighten out the original stop loss of the first entry position, we will simply risk the same amount of money, but our position will be bigger. And because we can also move our take profits to lower levels, our potential reward will just simply skyrocket. And all of this with the same risk. That's the beauty of active management. And the best part is that you can repeat this. You can scale your position until you see significant volume that indicates the end of the direction in which you are trading. You can always add to the position and secure the position which is above. So you're maximizing the potential profit and still risking the same amount of money. Therefore, you can squeeze the max amount of money from one position and at the same time keeping the same risk.